I slice the cucumber.
I slice the cucumber.
I dice bell peppers.
I dice bell peppers.
I cut the cake.
I cut the cake.
I chop celery into small pieces.
I chop celery into small pieces.
I knead the dough.
I knead the dough.
I grate the cheese.
I grate the cheese.
I peel the potatoes.
I peel the potatoes.
I wash the fruits.
I wash the fruits.
I rinse berries.
I rinse berries.
I cook pasta.
I cook pasta.
I scrub pot and pan.
I scrub pot and pan.
I bake cookies in the oven.
I bake cookies in the oven.
I boil the water.
I boil the water.
I fry eggs.
I fry eggs.
I steam the corns for dinner.
I steam the corns for dinner.
I let the soup simmer over low heat.
I let the soup simmer over low heat.
I mix the eggs with the butter.
I mix the eggs with the butter.
I toast the bread.
I toast the bread.
I microwave one slice of pizza.
I microwave one slice of pizza.
I stir the onion in the pan.
I stir the onion in the pan.
I add salt to my food.
I add salt to my food.
I blend ingredients.
I blend ingredients.
I beat eggs by hand.
I beat eggs by hand.
I drain the pasta after cooking.
I drain the pasta after cooking.
I sift the flour.
I sift the flour.
I pour a cup of tea.
I pour a cup of tea.
I grease the pan with oil.
I grease the pan with oil.
I measure the milk with a cup.
I measure the milk with a cup.
I sprinkle cheese on the spaghetti.
I sprinkle cheese on the spaghetti.
I scramble some eggs in the pan.
I scramble some eggs in the pan.
I dissolve the sugar in a cup of milk.
I dissolve the sugar in a cup of milk.
I crush the garlic with a knife.
I crush the garlic with a knife.
I whisk the eggs and cream together.
I whisk the eggs and cream together.
I weigh the ingredients.
I weigh the ingredients.
I spread the butter on the toast.
I spread the butter on the toast.
I preheat the oven to 400 degrees.
I preheat the oven to 400 degrees.
I toss the ingredients in the bowl.
I toss the ingredients in the bowl.
I roll out the pasta dough.
I roll out the pasta dough.
I mince the onion before stir-frying.
I mince the onion before stir-frying.
I crack the eggs.
I crack the eggs.
I pinch some turmeric into the soup.
I pinch some turmeric into the soup.
I squeeze the lemon.
I squeeze the lemon.
I zest the lemon.
I zest the lemon.
I shake my smoothie before drinking.
I shake my smoothie before drinking.
I scoop ice cream onto a cone.
I scoop ice cream onto a cone.
I mash the potatoes.
I mash the potatoes.
I saute the meat in the olive oil.
I saute the meat in the olive oil.
I melt the butter in a frying pan.
I melt the butter in a frying pan.
I roast chicken in my oven.
I roast chicken in my oven. Thanks for watching.